So we're going to Greece.
We've had a break for a couple of weeks. We've been with Georgina's parents in Italy, and we're off to Greece. We're going to head up the coast from there to Germany
And Croatia, Albania, Bosnia, yada yada yada. Hello, good morning from Greece.
Oh yeah, baby. I'm amped.
It's about 11 o'clock now.
Yeah.
And we're heading over to these islands over there. There's about 2 of them.
Well, that's the destination we want to reach because we're just seeing this crystal clear blue water.
But yeah, keep...
We found this little spot when I googled Croatia, and it said that this is one of the most undiscovered, least touristy spots there is.
And it's sick.
And it's so cool, there's lots of little islands around.
And lots of little colourful fishies. We're going to take the GoPro out and show you.
Go for a dive, yeah. Shall we do that?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Bye.
This is the drink. We're just losing the sun. Just like that. Whoa! Just like that, she's gone. We've already had dinner and we've had a massive day. We've got heaps of GoPro footage to show you. We'll get that up and running, but we just found this perla spot. There's quite a few other campers parked up here. It's just kind of on the way down south. We decided we'd get on with it because yeah, we just thought we'd get on with it because we'd been diving 3 times today already. We'd already had dinner and watched the sun kind of go behind the cliff where we were. So we got on the road and here we are. It's beautiful, eh?
It's so stunning.
So cozy.
Love it.
There's nothing like going to sleep listening to the waves. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.
We found a camping spot and it's by this. And our camping is over there. And we just took a shower with shampoo and everything, which was so nice. And we're just having our morning coffees now. And it's so nice here. Look who just arrived.
Have you already told them about where we are and stuff?
Yeah, I told them that we're in this like crazy
vibe. No one cares, showers are free. There's apparently there's toilets, but I don't need to drop one yet.
I don't need to drop one yet.
But
Where
I went
was
for a
everyone?
swim this morning and went for a shower.
Did you swim?
Yeah.
In the ocean?
Bloody oath.
I didn't.
One swim and see a day keeps the doctors away, and that's good because we're so far away from my private doctor. I cannot afford to get sick.
No, neither can I.
I'm an absolute vibe here though, I'm loving it.
Where do we fill our waters up?
There's a hose right beside the showers. The bro from Switzerland told me.
Bye guys, we'll let you know what we get up to today.
See you later, skaters. We've just been to this amazing little fruit stall. Cost us €2 for 2 peppers, 3 tomatoes, 4 nectarines, and some really nice looking grapes. So that's our breakfast because we didn't really feel like cereal this morning. But this is it. Looks so good.
Here are the grapes.
Yum. Nectarines. So we're gonna go and climb this Zalong Memorial Monument.
Monument.
Yeah, and it's like, I've seen pictures of it, but it looks beautiful. So we're gonna go and do that. Stay tuned. Hello, little buddy. We had to let our little turtle friend go. Georgie's just strapping up.
It's got a blister.
Gonna take the drone up, hopefully get a real cool drone shot. But you can see it up there. Beautiful stairs. So we made it up. These are the
Beautiful.
amazing statues that represent the ladies that took their lives to make a point and save others.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's amazing. We're just going to get the drone up now and get some cool footage.
Look what we've found. Necropolis, I think it's called. How amazing. We're about to go and explore inside. So sick. On a battle. Yeah, it's sick. How incredible is this? And it's literally empty, no tourists or anything compared to the Colosseum at Rome. This is incredible. Whoa. You're literally free to roam wherever you want to go. All that we think of. I wouldn't disrupt it too much. But...
It's that underground tunnel and shit.
Very cool. We might find treasure though.
All bodies.
Okay, yeah, maybe. Abort mission. This is amazing. Very crazy. We're sitting.
There's actually more preserved than the Colosseum of Rome.
I know. Well, probably because
There's more ruins over there too.
not that many people go. Yeah, look, there's more ruins over there. Yeah, you can see it. Well, not many people will come here
No.
as much as the Colosseum. That's why this is such a gem. We literally just found this driving past.
And it's free. It's so weird.
Just inside the tunnels. This is amazing.
Yeah. This is a first actually. We're gonna show you guys our little routine for the evening dinner. We're actually doing burgers. Burgers is one of our favourite. We've only done it a couple of times in the
We've done it no times. This is our first time we're ever eating meat. Oh yeah.
Prepping the mince. So that's one egg, a bit of powder. I'm gonna go on this beast later on. We've just had these guys pulled up with us last night. And they are Swiss, and they're really nice, real cool. They actually gave us, oh, what did I do with the card? I just had it, oh here.
Go follow them.
This is them, they've got like a blog and everything. This is not sponsored. Not a bad view. Not a bad view at all. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. Nah, we've got it pretty good. I drive because Georgie's not insured because the rules in England were crazy.
I'm too young.
It initially was going to cost us almost $7,000 for full comprehensive insurance for the van.
Crazy.
And the van isn't even worth that much, to be honest.
We've got a bit of a steal on that.
We got a steal on the old bongo. But yes, but we ended up going through a company that deals specifically with Australians and New Zealanders, so that was
That's probably a con, but we yet to find out.
well, yeah, actually true. No, I got official emails and stuff and spoke to someone on the phone and it was easy. If you're actually wanting to know who they are, just leave a comment.
Just leave a like and subscribe.
Leave a like and subscribe.
Can you pass me that?
We're getting into this vlogging stuff now. It's taken us 3 months, but it's alright.
We're doing it.
We've got to start somewhere. What do you want?
This is the episode. Thank you. Good content for you guys. Oh yeah.
Oh! Almost lost it. Yeah, it's kind of hard for space, but we make it work. When we're chilling like this doing dinner, everything is kind of everywhere because we put the cushion up and make this like a bit of a table. And then, yeah, not sponsored, but sponsor, please, Chrissy. That'll be the dream.
What are we getting?
Chrissy, my dive gear.
Oh yeah.
It's just low key. George isn't rocking the Chrissy, but I mean, if you sponsor it.
Yeah, maybe.
Cause
these buns are fresh as.
Yeah, they are. We needed to use them up. Alright, let's get cooking. Look at that. Burger prep well underway.
You can tell who does most of the work here.
Oh my goodness. Look at our little setup here. So we've got our little water system. I just washed the veggies here because Georgie was under the kitchen. This is just to keep it nice and watertight while we're driving. Obviously it's a bit Kiwi ingenuity, but hey, it works. Oh yeah, slice and dice, baby.
Oh
shit. Smells good. So
oh, they look beautiful. Yum.
we did a bit of a rookie move and put the sauce on the bottom. But hey.
That's right. We can always add
That's a bit of a backwards burger, I think. All that natural fats and juices. I'll use that for a face mask later.
Good morning guys, it's about 11 o'clock and we just decided that we're going to go down south to Lefkada, and Anton's just finishing his coffee and I've come down to sit by the water because it's so stunning and it's flat and so clear today. But yeah, I'll just show you. How beautiful is that? But yeah, so that's our plan today.
Oh, you can kind of see it.
Holy shit.
Wow.
Holy shit. So we left the beach that Anton took us to get some food. So we stocked up on our fridge and our groceries. And guess what we found? We found dairy milk. So yeah. Anton's just rabid for it.
Yeah, I'm stoked.
But
you know what they say, happy husband, happy life.
But we think we found somewhere to stay tonight.
Turn left onto Lefkada Slezeriton.
So we're gonna go back there and suss the situation out, but I'm sure it's fine. What a morning!
What a pillar! So good.
We're on our way to Albania. Just came up from Lefkada last night and we stayed at Old Faithful Mango Beach Bar. And we saw our Swiss friends again, so that was really nice.